My name is Gwen Rose. I'm a physiotherapist and a health coach. And I'm here today to show you one of my favorite exercise routines. It's a combination of Donna 5-minute workout with some additional qigong exercises and some of my favorite physiotherapy stretches. So first of all, energy medicine has exercises to help increase our vitality, our energy, so that we can use that energy for whatever our bodies, our minds need it to do. To help us to heal, to help us decrease pain, just for increased vitality, whatever your needs are. And physiotherapy would consider these exercises to be dynamic stretches used to increase the flexibility of soft tissues, muscle tendons, muscles, ligaments, as well as for joint lubrication to decrease stiffness. And as far as the mind goes, these exercises would be considered movement meditations. So they help us to relax by focusing on the movements. With doing deep breathing, we're also getting a relaxation. So first of all, to start off, I would like you to think of what your intent is for today's exercise. This increased energy, what are you planning to use it for? To help you heal, to help decrease pain, just for increased vitality or health. Then take a couple of deep breaths. When you take a deep breath, first blow out through your mouth. And you can see my abdomen goes in towards my spine. And then take a deep breath in through your nose so that your abdomen fills up. Out and in. When you're breathing in, your abdomen's filling up like a balloon. That's deep diaphragmatic breathing. Try to do those breathings throughout the exercises. So Donna starts with 4 thumps to increase energy. So first, underneath the eyes, you thump here 7-10 times with your fingertips on the bone. And this is to help ground you. Then underneath your clavicle, near where it meets in the sternum, near that collarbone, there's a little indentation, and take 3 fingers on either side and just tap there. These are points, acupressure points. So on the meridian, these are to help increase your energy. And then the sternum, the thalamus point, you take your fist and you can go up and down it. And this is to decrease your stress reactions. You have lots of stress acupressure points here. And it helps increase your immunity by decreasing your stress. And then the 4th point is on the side, under the bottom of your ribs, just sort of underneath where you're women, where you have a bra strap, say. And if you tap there, this helps your digestion, your metabolism. Is it food? Is it thoughts? Is it negative thoughts? Is it negative energy somebody's throwing at you? Is it toxins? It helps to decrease that. Okay, the next exercise is a crown pull. I'm going to put my thumbs in the temples here, and I'm going to put my fingers in the middle of my forehead. I'll just move my bangs out of the way there. And I'm going to push down and across. I'm going to do that 3 times. Down and across, down and across. And I'm just going to go up my head, and I'm going to push down and across. And this is going to improve circulation and blood flow, oxygen to all the areas inside my head. I'm going to go all the way back to the back of my neck. And it feels very good at the back of your neck. We have so many tight points there usually. Okay, and then you might just want to push down and hold your hands like that for a moment or 2. Okay, and now I'm just going to push down with the one hand, and I'm going to go across my body. And then I'm going to take my other hand, I'm going to push down and go across. I'm going to do that again, both sides, and that's to help my energies cross over. Okay, the next exercise is a qigong exercise. It's called the universal flow. And I'm just going to relax my knees, relax my arms and my wrists, and just breathe in and gently lift my arms up. Bring them in closer to me and blow out. In through my nose, up, and down and out. Up, and down and out. Now I'm going to take my arms out to the sides. I'm going to gather all the energy from all around and up to the ceiling. This is a great exercise to do outside. And then I'm going to breathe out. And again, in, gathering the energy. I love doing this when there's trees around. And out. Some people push their arms down. I like to bring my arms towards my body. And the third time, I'm going to lower right down. I'm going to lift my arms up, gather energy, and as I breathe out, I'm going to bend. Okay, I have a chair behind me, but please note that my knees are not in front of my toes. They're back, my bum is back. And now I'm going to gather energy from the ground and bring it up. Okay, 2 more times. Breathing in. And out. Go down as low as you can comfortably go, okay? Making sure that you're maintaining your balance and breathing in and up. Last one, breathe in. Gather all the energy, bring it down towards you. Down, gather more energy from the ground and bring it up. The next one is a physiotherapy exercise. That's the cat, cow, and standing. So breathe out and curl down. Breathe in. I guess this is also a qigong or yoga or tai chi exercise. And breathe out. And in. Okay, try and bring your shoulder blades back and together. And last time, out. And in. Okay, and now I'm going to do a little thoracic rotation. I'm just rotating my trunk, swinging my arms nice and relaxed as I look over each shoulder as far as I can go comfortably. And back down. Okay, and now I'm going to do what Donna Eden calls a crossover. Physiotherapists would call this a marching exercise, but I'm going to exaggerate it, okay? So I'm going to twist and turn. It's a very good balance exercise too. So just bring up your knees. If you can't lift your knees up that high, just as high as you can bring them up and just try to touch your knee with the other side, okay? So you're doing these exercises within your own comfort area for your own safety. So if you're going to be out of balance when you do that, then don't. And if you need to be near a chair or a counter to hold in case you lose your balance, then please do so. Okay, and now I'm going to just take a deep breath in, blow out and go down. I'm going to hold this position for a couple of breaths and breathe in and out, in and out. And now I'm going to make a figure of 8, like an infinity sign, sideways figure of 8 or infinity sign with my hands. And I'm going to gradually come up as I do so. And I'll lift my arms up as high as I can. And back down. Okay, now I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to rub them together. And I can feel energy between my 2 hands when I do this. I don't know if you can. It's quite interesting if you bring your arms out and in a couple of times. See if you can feel that energy. And then shake off any excess. Put your hands on your thighs and take a deep breath in. And breathe out as you bring your hands to prayer position. And now lift one arm up, one arm down. Wrists are 90 degrees. And you're looking up. And hold your breath to the count of 10. And take a deep breath in and blow out. As you bring your arms together, and now take a deep breath in and lift up the other one. And hold. This is heaven and earth. Okay, now bring your hands back together. And now this time look at your down arm. And together, and now other one up. And look down at your other down hand. And bring them down and together. Okay, next exercises are in sitting. Bring one foot over your opposite knee. So I'm starting with my left. So my left foot is on my right knee, my right hand is on my ankle, and my left hand goes behind my foot. Do your toes or your heels. And I want you to take a deep breath in and lift your trunk up, foot towards you, and blow out. Try that again. Take a deep breath in and out. And one of my favorite physiotherapy stretches, the hip flexor stretch, is now let go of your hand. You can keep your right hand there, but now I would like you to lean forward towards your left knee as far as you can go comfortably. You're likely to feel it pulling somewhere on your back, your left or your right side, whichever side is tighter. Hold it there for at least the count of 10. All stretches, static stretches, should be to minimal count of 10, optimally to count of 30 or 60. So you're just going to hold it in that position and then come back up. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So right foot up onto right knee, left knee rather, right foot, left knee, left hand on ankle, right hand on down your sole of your foot. Take a deep breath in and lift up and relax. Breathe in and up and out and relax. And this time take a deep breath in, breathe out. Now don't hold your breath as you lean over. Just breathe in to the count of 6 and out to the count of 6, and see if you can do that 3 times. Okay, I had a back injury about 14 years ago, and this side, if I don't do this exercise regularly, it feels very, very tight. So it's a very good exercise to do. Okay, and now Donna Eden talks about sipping up your meridians. You can do it in sitting or in standing. You take your hands down to your pubic bone, bring them up to your bottom lip, and then you lock it and throw away the key. Okay, let's do that twice. One more time. Up and throw away the key. And now for your back, one hand up, one under, bring your top arm all the way up, throw away the key, and reverse. Bring your hand up, throw away the key. Now take your middle finger, or take your index finger rather, into your third eye and your umbilical cord. Push in and up and release, and again in and up and release. And that's so that the energy is in the middle part of your body along the chakras. Meridians can flow nice and easy. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy doing these exercises on a regular basis. Thank you. Bye-bye.